Hello everyone, and welcome back to the hay bale straw bale garden on As the Rooster Crows. We have some thawed out chicken legs and some pork steaks that I need to get barbecued so we can eat them this week. I have the stump burning again. If you guys have been watching the videos on Northern Seclusion, I'm getting this burned down to the ground so I can push snow over it in the winter without catching the tractor bucket on it. But the last garden update video, I talked about it's time to start digging up the potatoes. These first two plants here were the first two to die off. I'm going to dig those two up and just see what they look like. And I might as well put some in foil and throw them on the grill tonight and cook them up with that chicken and pork. I can't remember if these were reds or whites. I just can't remember. And these two died off a couple weeks before the other ones did, so I'm not real sure how these will do, but should be enough to at least get them in some foil, and even if I get some little ones, those are the best anyway. Well, we got a lot of smaller potatoes. These are definitely the whites or the yellows. These two plants got hit by potato bugs, and I hit them with 7 dust and ended that, but it chewed the plants down, so that would have stunted it somewhat. Another thing I didn't really anticipate planting them here, and I talked about in a previous video about taking about 4 feet of all of this raspberry bushes that are over here out. So I mean, if I take 4 feet of that out, there would have been more sunlight that got against these potatoes. But I mean, that's not bad. I really didn't know how I was going to do because those plants died off so quickly. So I mean, it's only going to get better from here. The other ones did pretty good. I have them all washed up here now. They're ready to be put into foil and thrown on the grill. I'll guarantee you these new potatoes will be the best potatoes a person will eat all year long. Chicken is done. I put barbecue sauce on it. Melissa loves barbecue sauce. Look at that. They look delicious. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It's that time of year right now when it gets to be evening and you're walking in the yard or on the property or riding the four-wheeler or whatever, and you can just be walking along and then drop down like a foot or two into a lower area and it'll be like 5 degrees colder or 10 degrees colder. You can just feel it really easily. I don't know if you guys ever experienced that, but it's pretty cool. Just from standing right here and then having to walk down that little bit to go to the garden door, it probably dropped 5 degrees. I'll see you guys on the next video.